I always knew that I could do more, and physical therapy was a thought in my mind that I really envisioned. It's hands-on, it's one-on-one, you're interacting and helping someone, making a difference in someone's life, motivating them through the process and getting better, and it really kind of drew me to that. It's an amazing profession to be in. Once I knew that the program was offered here, I was like, all right, let me get some information. I did not realize how intense it was and how much went into actually getting into the program. When you get into the actual program and you're working with your classmates, I mean, you're working with them hours on end, and you develop some great relationships. And I feel like with how much you're doing with each other, we're all like tightly knit. It's just a great atmosphere to be in. Ever since I've been here, everyone's been extremely helpful. They've always gone the extra mile. If I've ever had any questions or concerns, they've always kind of answered them. And the year and a half I've been here, it's been a very good experience. If you truly want to do something, you want something to change, if you put the effort and the motivation behind it, that you can succeed in anything.